Today on City News, we brought you the story of a Roma family who have been waiting nearly 2 years for their refugee claim to be heard by the Immigration and Refugee Board. Sadly, that amount of time is pretty much the status quo for families waiting to hear if they have a future here in Canada.
Many refugees currently are being forced to wait many months, and that expands to years sometimes several years. It's a devastating way to live, and I think anyone can understand that. If you go to a country, you've fled your own place because of the discrimination and the persecution, you show up a new place, you ask for protection under international law, and they let you sit there. It means you can't plan your future, you may have difficulty getting a job because you don't have permanent status. Going to school is almost impossible, going to post-secondary education.
The Immigration and Refugee Board tells City News that currently there's north of 51,000 pending claims. The backlog is growing at a rate of 2,200 cases per month, though the board says they're only able to close 2,000 cases per month. Now, the massive delay stems from a change in the way claims were processed in 2012 that put thousands of cases on hold. What can we do here in Canada to help speed up, expedite the process for refugee claimants seeking asylum?
Well, there's lots that can be done. I mean, part of it is funding the Refugee Board at a level that reflects the number of claims they need to process. But with respect to these folks who've been in limbo for years, I think one clear solution that many organizations that represent refugees have been arguing for is a program to take them out of that backlog and give them status on humanitarian and compassionate grounds.
Andrew Brower with Legal Aid Ontario also notes that those seeking refugee status here in Canada don't always have to attend the hearings in person, and the more cases that can be heard that way, the better, according to Brower.